In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this tutorial will guide you through the process of adding items to your inventory in a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Zoho Books dashboard. When you log in, you're greeted with the main dashboard where all your key financial metrics are displayed. This is the central hub of Zoho Books, where most of your day-to-day operations will happen. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Items section. Clicking on Items will direct you to your inventory list where all your current stock and products are listed. Next, to add a new item to your inventory, click on the plus button. It's a universal icon for adding new items, so it should be easy to spot. This will open a new item entry form where you'll input all the details about the product you're adding. Start by typing in the name of the item. This is the official name that will appear in your inventory list, invoices, and any related documents. It's important to have clear and concise naming to avoid confusion, especially if you have a large inventory. Once you've entered the item name, proceed to type in the selling price. This is the price at which you offer the product to customers. Make sure it reflects any costs, desired profit margins, and market considerations. After that, type in the highlight. This field is an opportunity to include key features or selling points of the item. It's not just about what the product is, but what makes it stand out, or why someone should choose it over others. You'll then need to choose a sales account. This ties the product to a specific account in your financial records, which helps in tracking revenue and understanding how different parts of your business are performing financially. Next, type in the cost price. This is what it cost you to acquire or produce the item. It's important for calculating profit margins and managing overall business finances. Following this, choose a purchase information account. Similar to selecting a sales account, this accounts for expenses related to purchasing the item. You'll also need to choose a sales tax option that applies to the item. Tax rules can vary, so make sure you select the one that matches the regulations relevant to your location and industry. Similarly, choose a purchase tax option if there's tax applicable to you when acquiring this item. Lastly, once all the information is entered correctly, click on the Save button. This will add the item to your inventory, and you'll be able to see it listed among all your stocked items. And that's it! You've successfully added a new item to your inventory in Zoho Books. This process ensures your financial records are accurate and helps in managing stock effectively within your business.